classifying alcohol based on carbon position. Please, before this, I want us to address type of carbon atom. We are going to consider first. First, we will consider type of carbon atom. Types of carbon atom. Carbon atom. Carbon atom. You of course, need to understand that carbon is so important in organic chemistry. Very, very important. One, we talk about the its ability to form multiplicity of bonds with itself and other elements, which is specially termed catenation. Again, you talk about the position of carbon in the periodic table, and carbon is positioned in the second row in the periodic table, and the position in the middle of the second row. The position in found carbon atom is in such a way that the element to the left-hand side of the carbon, when you face your periodic table, element to the left-hand side of the carbon have the propensity to do what? Donate electron. And these are your metals. You know metals as a good electron donor. Whereas the element to the right-hand side of the carbon have the propensity to accept electron. And these are the non-metals. You should know they have the characteristic tendency to accept electron. That's why we say metals are good electron acceptors, whereas non-metals are good electron donor. So type of carbon atom. On that type of carbon atom, we are having number one under this, number 1A, or let me number with alphabet, is primary carbon. Primary carbon. What is a primary carbon? A primary carbon is that carbon atom that has only but one other carbon directly attached to it. Directly attached. Look at this. I will be symbolizing primary carbon. The symbol of primary carbon is 1 degree. Let me use that for primary carbon, 1 degree. So primary carbon, look at this. Good. Now any carbon I put asterisk, so that is the primary. This is it. You are a primary carbon, you are a primary. What makes you a primary carbon? Because only this carbon that is directly attached to you. Only this particular carbon, that is directly attached to you. So you are a primary carbon. You are 1 degree. You are also 1 degree. So that is it. A carbon that have one other carbon atom directly attached to it is said to be primary carbon. So when you go to the B part, secondary carbon, designated as 2 degree. A secondary carbon is a carbon atom that have 2 other carbon directly attached to it. So let's go by this thing I did here. You see here, anyone I put asterisk. So here you are using U. When we talk about this carbon, U and U is attached to it, so you are a secondary carbon. Even U and U is attached to it, so you are also a secondary carbon. So that is secondary carbon. A carbon atom that is attached, that 2 other carbon atoms is attached to, is said to be what? Secondary carbon. Now let's also look at the third one, which we call tertiary carbon. A tertiary carbon atom. What is a tertiary carbon atom? Designated as 3 degree. A tertiary carbon is that carbon atom that has 3 other carbons directly attached to it. Example, you have something like this. So this is a tertiary carbon. That is 3 degree. You are attached to it. You are a tertiary carbon. That is 3 degree. Then we talk about the fourth one, the D, that is quaternary carbon. Quaternary carbon is that carbon atom that has 4 other carbon atoms attached to it. The example of quaternary carbon, you have something like this. So this carbon is quaternary, that is 4 degree. Quaternary, we have quaternary carbon, but we don't have quaternary alcohol because carbon is tetravalent in nature. So there is no other space for attachment of OH. So that is why we don't have quaternary alcohol. Quaternary carbon is being attached. That is why when you have an alkane, example, we have an alkane that is attached by 4 things like CH3, and CH3 here, and CH3 here. We call it neoalkane. This one is neopentane. Neo. Alkane, that is neopentane.